How to book round trip in Uber. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to book round trip on Uber. Watch the video till the end and without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, you need to make sure to download and install Uber application on your device. Now tap to launch the app. Make sure to log into your account and you have to follow the usual process to book your ride. Tap on Way to at top right corner of the screen and you have to enter your destination. You need to make sure that rides are available nearby. So let's search for other. So however, you can contact your driver to arrange the wait time for the return trip if Uber doesn't have a direct round trip option. Also, this might involve extra charges for the wait time. You can further adjust the pickup time by setting the date and time, then tap Save Pickup Time. So you can also add multiple stops by tapping the plus sign at top right corner of the screen and discuss the details with the driver and they will wait for you at each stop. That's how you can book a round trip on Uber. It's pretty simple once you know the steps. Give it a try and thanks for tuning in. We will see you soon.